This video will show you how to install the Korky long-lasting 2X Mansfield seal for both the Mansfield 210 and 211 flush valves and the Mansfield rigid flapper number 630. If you have a Mansfield 210 or 211 flush valve, follow these instructions. Otherwise, skip ahead to the timestamp. Begin by turning off the toilet's water supply. Then, flush the toilet to drain the tank of water. Remove the refill tube from the top of the white flush valve cap. Next, twist the cap counterclockwise to remove it from the flush valve. Rotate the flush valve away from the flush lever and pull the tower up to access the seal. Remove the old seal and replace it with the Korky long-lasting 2X Mansfield seal. Lower the tower back onto the flush valve base and rotate the flush valve to its original position around the flush lever. Reattach the white cap to the top of the flush valve by twisting it clockwise. Insert the refill tube back into the flush valve cap. Finally, turn the water supply back on and enjoy a smooth running toilet without any leaks. To learn more, click here or visit korky.com/toiletgenius. Still have questions? Our technical support team is always willing to help. If you have a Mansfield rigid flapper, follow these instructions. Begin by turning off the toilet's water supply. Then flush the toilet to drain the tank of water. Next, remove the flapper by pulling up on the flapper ears to detach them from the flush valve. Detach the white ring on the underside of the flapper by twisting the tabs counterclockwise. Remove the old seal from the flapper and replace it with the Korky long-lasting 2X Mansfield seal. Place the white ring back against the flapper and align one of the white arrows to the black insert. Push down on the ring and turn it clockwise to lock it into place. Position the flapper back onto the base of the flush valve and press the ears firmly until snapped in place. The chain should not be tangled around the flush lever and should have a clear path to the flapper with minimal slack. Finally, turn the water supply back on and enjoy a smooth running toilet without any leaks. To learn more, click here or visit korky.com/toiletgenius. Still have questions? Our technical support team is always willing to help.